Okay guys, just wanted to make a quick video today about removing trim pieces from your car. Now, my dad actually had this car before I did, and he bought chrome rearview mirror covers for $65. Meanwhile, you could have gotten them from China on eBay for like $10, which is what I did. And today I was removing them, and I was looking up how to remove these kinds of things. It's not very hard, but there were just no videos out there, so I decided to make one. Here's what it looks like with it off. A little bit of adhesive left. I'm going to be working on that. But basically what I did was I got a hair dryer or a heat gun, either or. I just didn't have a heat gun with me, and I decided to use the hair dryer. I got it on an extension cord here, and then just get a pretty long to normal regular screwdriver, and here's what they look like. The plastic is pretty cheap, and so it just breaks into some pieces, but you just keep going, and if you heat it up good, it'll break into pretty big pieces. And so I'm gonna do a time lapse for you guys of what this looks like. This is the last one, so I thought I'd just make a quick video and hope you guys enjoy. Okay, now that it's off, we're just going to take some adhesive remover. I'm not going to do that with the video, I don't think, because that's pretty easy said. Either get 3M adhesive remover or goof off, but if you do use any of those, make sure it's in a well-ventilated area. Now, I do recommend wearing a glove while doing this because the plastic can get hot and you can get cut up, which already happened to me once, and I don't really want Chinese plastic in my fingers. So also maybe wear safety glasses if you'd like, because a few pieces went flying when I was doing this. And I thought I might as well show you guys the final product. I cleaned it off. I was actually able to just pry up all the glue with my fingernail, and then I just used some penetrating oil, which is a lot safer to breathe in than goof off or 3M adhesive remover. And there are a few scratches on here. I'm not too worried about that though, because I have a fresh set of chrome handle covers, which I got from eBay again for $10. Depending on your vehicle, I don't know what the prices would be, but just wanted to show you guys this quick video today. Thought it would be helpful. Again, I didn't see many videos on it, so I thought I'd make my own. I'd appreciate if you guys would check out the rest of my channel. I have a lot of other videos on cars and other things that I've installed in my vehicle, and if you would subscribe, I would be greatly appreciative. But that's all for this one, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.